Well, good morning, folks. It's Captain Banana, and it's Monday. That's right, it's fucking Monday. Monday, July 19th. And I'm at my 90 getting unloaded. And, well, they don't have a loading dock, so park on the side of the street. Get one guy in the truck with a pallet jack, and the other guy with a forklift. And that's how it gets unloaded. Yeah. And of course, we have the dock supervisor who's making sure everything gets done properly. Well, good morning, folks. It's Tuesday, July 20th. Yeah, my APU died the other day. And, well, last night was another night of sweating my ass off. And, I fell asleep with the truck idling. And then, of course, it cooled down enough where the truck shut off. I just happened to wake up 4 o'clock in the morning, and, well, lo and behold, the battery level was down to 14.3 volts. Luckily, I was able to start the truck and, keep the engine running long enough to charge the battery up to at least 13.8. But yeah, usually when the truck's running, the battery's at 14.2 volts. So it's going to take a little while of the truck running and getting down the road for the battery to reach full charge status. Yeah, it's one of the problems with the lead acid battery. You let them discharge, it kind of fucks up the battery. Yeah, that's why those electronic power units are really worthless unless they have battery chemistry other than lead acid. Lithium ion, lithium iron phosphate's a real good one. Lithium iron phosphate is actually a 12 volt battery drop-in replacement, and hell, I can't think of the name of the company, but yeah, there's a couple of manufacturers out there that make 12 volt battery drop-in replacements that they're really big in the camping world and the solar world. Yeah, I just woke up, so brain's still not functioning at 100% peak performance. But anyway, I'm getting ready to get my day started. Not too far from my 90. 384 miles to my 90. But my 90 is due at 7 a.m. tomorrow. But they have overnight parking, so I want to get there early and see if they can get me unloaded today. That would be nice. Alright, folks, Captain Banana. It's still Tuesday, July 20th. Well, I fueled up at Flying J, and hey, they have a huddle house, so that means breakfast. Well, good morning, folks. It's Wash Your Ass Wednesday, July 21st. Yeah. I'm parked here at a Pilot here in Missouri. Last night, this girl comes up to my truck. This woman comes up to my truck. Says, excuse me, you got a coat hanger? I locked my keys in my truck. Yeah, don't have a coat hanger. Got a CB antenna, though. She had an international. And fortunately for her, she left her keys in the ignition. She left the keys in the ignition. Unfortunately for her, she should have had the damn keys around her neck. But no, she left the ignition on, or the auxiliary on, or whatever. So she had the hood open, and I slid the coat hanger in the door jamb right by the hood, and just sheer stroke of luck, hit the power window button, and windows went down. So that saved her, I don't know what a locksmith is, $125, $150 plus the embarrassment. But yeah, I was quite surprised. I mean, hey, even a blind squirrel gets a nut once in a while, right? So anyway, I got my pre-plan. So once I drop at my 90, which I'm 15 miles away. Once I drop at my 90, I gotta come back to where I am, get my trailer washed out. Then I gotta go to another dairy place, pick up a load, and drag that into Springfield. Yeah, because I got a doctor's appointment tomorrow. And I get the APU fixed. Yeah, I woke up this morning and it was 12.2 volts. Not a good thing, because when I turned the starter, it was like bam, fired up. I was just like, oh, thank God it started. I mean, I could jump start it off the reefer trailer, but you really don't want to do that. You really want that friggin' APU fixed. So I'm betting it's fuel pump. Yeah. Because, I mean, it is a diesel engine. If the diesel engine doesn't start, it's one of two things: fuel or air. And the way it was sputtering and puttering and then just crapped out like it ran out of fuel, yeah, I'm thinking it's fuel pump. Alright, folks. Hey, it's Captain Banana. It's still Wash Your Ass Wednesday. Yeah, November 21st. So, I get to my my new shipper, and I look and I'm like, oh man, it's split the difference, and that means, you know, you have to have the trailer in between the two, you know, the trailer tires in between the two lines. And well, my old trainer Eric could tell you I suck at split the difference, but you know, I got it in there, got it in the door. It was actually a hell of a lot easier than I anticipated. Because I pulled up thinking like, oh man, I got a blind side in here. And, you know, it was easy. It was actually so easy, I thought I fucked something up. Because I was just like, nah, that just went too easy and too smooth. Yeah, had to do something wrong. Guy came out and was just like, oh shit, you chopped the tires and got it in the door and took your lock off, right? I'm like, yeah, I took the lock off. Okay, well, yeah, he did a good job. And he's watching the CR England, and he's like, uh-oh, look out. That's CR England. They can't back worth a shit. Well, yeah, maybe they can't, because, you know, I think after 90 hours, hey, all right, you're good to go. No, you're not. You know, my trainer, Eric, he spent a lot of time teaching me how to back. You know, and, he worked with me until I got it down good. That's why my backing skills are what they are, because, you know, Eric spent a whole lot of time teaching me how to back. And if it wasn't for him, my backing skills wouldn't be as good. Wouldn't be anywhere as good as they are. But, you know, Eric worked with me and taught me how the truck and trailer move, and taught me how to back, and gave me different pointers and, you know, different things to use, different tools and tricks, and, you know, I'm so good at backing I surprise myself. Yeah, and I'm not bragging on myself. I'm just like, yeah, my backing skills are that good, and that's because of the training I had. You know, Twisted helped me get my CDL, and then Eric taught me how to get this thing up a bug's ass and still be able to have enough room to swing the doors. So, if you're thinking of coming to Prime, and you've learned something from my videos, or at least laughed like hell, like, look at this dumbass, he's just funny as hell. Anyway, my driver code is LA, M as in Mary, O, N as in Nancy, D as in dumbass, LAMOND. If you're thinking about coming to Prime, yep, subscribe, use my driver code so I get some more money. I can always use more money. Well, good morning, folks. Hey, it's Captain Banana, and I'm here in Springfield, Prime 1. Got my APU fixed. Yeah, now I got air conditioning when the engine's off. So it's Thirsty Thursday, July 22nd. Not June, July. But yeah, it's gonna be another hot day in Springfield. Surprise. Well, last night I went out to dinner with Kiersey and a few other people. We got to hang out at Fire and Ice. I had a steak dinner. I like my steak dinner. And then this morning I had to get up at 4 o'clock this morning, or 4:30, get my truck in the shop. I don't know, he did a bunch of work on the APU, one of which was fix the fuel pump, replace the fuel pump. And he replaced the water pump too, not really sure. But anyway, it's working, thank God. It's brutal without electricity or with air conditioning especially. And so now I don't have to worry about waking up to a dead battery. That's never good. But yeah, I'm gonna go get some breakfast now. Oh yeah, went in the Prime shop and got a new hat. They didn't have yellow, so I got this hat because well, I was going out to dinner and I didn't want to wear my yellow hat that was all grease stained. So I got this hat for $8. Not bad. Alright folks, it's Captain Banana, and it's Wash Your Ass Wednesday. That's right. Today's trucker challenge was find the fucking loading dock. Not very well marked. And it's off this little tiny shitting ass side street. And yeah. Spent 20 minutes walking around trying to find the receiving office. Finally found it. Find it back in my truck. So yeah, I finally found the receiving office, but damn. I mean, down that little tiny ass shitting road. And see where that Prime truck is on the left? That was a load of chickens. But yeah, that white truck with the N on it. Yeah, he's a Prime truck. And where he's parked is where I gotta park. Alright, he's pulling out, so the guy I was talking to, he's gonna be pulling in next. And yeah, this is gonna be fun. Yeah, I'm not looking forward to backing in this door. But whatever, I'll get it done. Get her done. Alright folks, it's Captain Banana, and it's Thirsty Thursday. That's right. Yeah, Thursday, July 22nd. And well, I just went to the detail shop and showed them the damage to my truck. They're like, yeah, we'll have you out of here by Sunday. So yeah, they're gonna be working on it. Going to get working on it probably tomorrow. Tomorrow's Friday. So yeah, I'll be driving around looking like looking like a toothless truck. Yeah, be nice to get it all fixed again. Yep. Well, good morning, folks, and it's Friday. That's right, Friday, July 23rd. So my APU has been fixed. Thank God. Nothing worse than trying to sleep with no air conditioning in the truck. So I'm over here at the detail shop. I got an 8 a.m. appointment for a blood draw, so that's where I'm headed to. It's another beautiful Friday in Springfield. Well, good morning, folks. It's Captain Banana. It's Friday, July 23rd. Yeah, I'm out here in Springfield. It's Sprimo, Prime 1. And I'm just walking around, getting some exercise. I got to get a free breakfast this morning, a safety meeting. Every Friday, they have a safety meeting, and you can score some free breakfast if you're at the terminal. Which, you know, that's always a good thing, free breakfast. It's 7 o'clock a.m. Salt Lake Terminal, 9 a.m. at the Pittston Terminal, 8 a.m. at the Springfield Terminal. And there's nothing like a free breakfast. Well, good morning, folks. Hey, it's Captain Banana, and it is Sad Sack Saturday. It's Saturday, July 24th. Yeah, July 24th. I got it right. So I'm outside of the Springfield Terminal here. See in the background. Yep, I'm outside the Millennial Building. Actually doing laundry. I just took a shower. I'll get some breakfast. Take my truck back over to the detail shop, get the letters put on it, and then yeah, I should be ready to go. So I'll get out there and make some money again. Well, howdy folks, it's Captain Banana, and it is Saturday, July 24th. I'm still here at Springfield. So they got all the work done on my tractor. Got it all painted up, lettered up, and it's ready to go. So now I'm just waiting for my Preplan, which is coming in from Colorado, and it's should be dropping here in Springfield sometime tomorrow. I'll pick that trailer up, take it to Arkansas for I think it's a 9 a.m. delivery or something like that. And then I got to go to Alabama, Montgomery, Alabama, make a delivery there, and then I got to go to Duluth, Georgia. So that's been a nice ride. Well, good morning, folks. It's Captain Banana, and it is Sunday, July 25th. I'm still here at the Springfield Terminal. My load hasn't come in yet. It's on its way from Colorado. But as soon as it gets in, I will get under my trailer, get the hell out of here, get back on the road, because I've been sitting here for since Wednesday, so that's like 5 days. And yeah, I'm bored. 5 days without driving is just, 5 days of hell for me. I love driving. So it's been tough sitting here. But, it's a part of trucking sometimes. You just have to wait for a load.